Let's continue about the lists. So we can change an element from this list without changing the order. For example, let's say L, we want change 2 to, for example, 6. So this is in the place, this place is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So let's say L2 is equal to 6. And let's print our L and 1. As you can see here, instead of 2 we have 6 now, and we can add to this list using l.append, and we can add here anything we want. For example, let's say 7, and then let's print our list. So it adds 7 to the list we had before. And if you did something, for example, like that, append 0, and you run it, you will have nothing after the last one, because you need to print something so you can see it here. So let's print L again and run now. As you can see, it's add the 0 to the list, and it showed now. So for the list we can have various things. We can add also, for example, boolean, so we can add various things, variables in the same list, and we can change within the list. So this is for the list, and we can have a list inside the list. For example, let's say ll equal 0, 1, and here we'll use 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and let's print our ll. So it shows the same here. And now if we want to print the first element, all we use is ll0, so it prints 0, which is the first element. If we want the third element, which is 3, let's print ll3. So sorry, 2. I mean by third element is, and in Python we start from 0, so we have to put here 2, so we'll see this one. So as you can see, it gives a list, and we can choose a specified element within the list, within this list ll. So we can use, for example, 2, and we want the second element, which is 1, because we start from 0. You have to be careful with that, because in other languages they start from 1, so in Python they start from 0. So if you want the fifth element, you have to put 4, because they count from 0. So let's print this one, and as you can see, it shows the second element of the list, which is 3. So this is for the list, and there is tuples also. It wrote like this: 1, 2, 3, but here you can change. For example, let's write 0 is equal to 0. we can't do that. You can change in triples, and there is also dictionaries as such. We write it between like this, and we write decay. We'll see all this in details in the coming videos. So these are the important things you need to know, so you can start programming for small problems. And there are models we can use. For example, if we want cosine and sine, square root, and others, we have to import math at the beginning. It's a model where there is all these things, and now we can, if you want, for example, a variable sine equal math dot sine of 0, for example. Let's print sine. We have to have 0. Here is it. For example, if you want s, a variable s is equal, and always we start with math dot, then we can, as we can see here, that by cos squared, let's use squared of 4. So we know that the results are 2. Let's see what's gonna give. So this is it, 2. And there's several things you can use here. As you can see here, log, atom, and there are different things. This is for the math model, and there are a lot of models in Python, as NumPy for arrays and matrix and vectors, and there is matplotlib to draw different plots, and pandas for data, and other things, SciPy also for linear algebra and other scientific methods. So this is it. Those are the important things, and in the coming videos we'll see all these things slowly and with all details, and I hope you will enjoy it. And we'll be, from the next video, we'll be solving small problems step by step, and until then, see you.